Welcome to everyone that is watching right now. And if you have a question, please text your questions to the number that should appear on the screen. Um, let's go over a few questions. So yesterday we did very, very simple questions. Now we're going to do even simpler questions. Let's see. Let me choose something. Another system of equations. This is a system of two linear equations, and the question is, well, what order pair satisfies the system? So the second equation tells me that x is equal to 5y. And I can use it to replace this x with 5y. So instead of writing x plus y equals 18, I put 5y because x is 5y. Then I add these two, combine these two terms, which gives me 6y equals 18. And then I see that y is 3. Once I have this, I can check my choices, and I realize that the only choice where y is 3 is A. I choose I choose that letter, and then I keep going, and that's it. I don't even have to finish the problem and find x. So that's a very simple question, extremely easy algebra. Let's see, let's do another one here. Okay, absolute value. Now, when you have an absolute value equation, you may end up with more than one solution. The question here hints at that fact. And it says what is one possible solution to the given equation? I will form the two possible equations to solve when you have an absolute value equation. In the first case, we have that x minus 5 is 10. And on the second case, we have that x minus 5 could be negative. I solve this simple equation in one step. I solve this one, and that gives me negative 5. Because they say what is one possible solution, if you input this on your test answer sheet, that will be correct. Actually, it's not an answer sheet anymore. It's online, so you have to input that solution or this one. They will both I'll give you full credit for that. Number 7, another very easy question. They tell me that this function gives the total number of people at a retreat with X managers. And then the question is, what is the total number of people on a company retreat with 7 managers? Well, that cannot be simpler than that. The answer is 7 times 7 plus 1. Because X is the number of managers, and they're telling me that there are 7 managers. So this has to be 7. And the answer is obviously 50. So a similar equation, but now using an exponential function, is number 9, where you are really replacing the value of x or x with a specific value. So you are given an exponential function, and then they say that f of 0, oh, actually they're asking you what is the value of f of 0. And the meaning of this is that you're going to replace whatever you see in x, you're going to put a 0. So f of 0 will be equal to 270 times 0.1 raised to the 0 power. And anything that is raised to the 0 power is equal to 1. So 270 times 1 is 270. That's the answer. Extremely easy. Okay, I think that that's enough for tonight. If there aren't any questions, we'll see you tomorrow.